the Middle East now, especially the UAE, has become now the global crypto hub. I think for a lot of crypto firms right now, they look at potentially now setting up back in the US post the new administration. But when it comes to their global headquarters or their headquarters for outside the US, the UAE now is becoming often their first choice, whether it's Abu Dhabi, whether it's Dubai, whether it's Ras Al Khaimah, whether it's in the IFC. There's a number of choices, and a lot of these hubs within the UAE are quite complementary in a 1 + 1 = 3 relationship, if you want. Now, I don't expect to see more listed instruments across the region for very simple reasons. A lot of anybody's listing is often going where liquidity is, and that tends to happen in traditional markets that we have. When it comes to certain jurisdictions, when it comes to the KSA, Saudi Arabia, I think we need to see more regulatory clarity before we can see not only listed instruments in crypto, but overall more activity in crypto. And this is why I expect for really a short, medium term, the majority of the crypto activity in the UAE to take place, in the Middle East to take place in the UAE.
Indeed, and you mentioned this before, but what we are seeing is more support for stable coins and also more support for digital currencies in this part of the world as well, particularly here in the UAE with the recent launch of the digital dirham. What impact do you expect that to have, and what trends are you seeing in the stablecoin and digital currency space that make you most excited right now?
First of all, it's important to understand the reason crypto firms are coming to the UAE is not because they love the weather. They're here because there's regulatory clarity. One thing that, for example, Dubai has done with VARA, the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, the world's first crypto specialized regulator, is to provide a regulatory framework that is very clear and that provides a baseline that all the companies can operate with. I would argue that it's probably the most stringent crypto regulator in the world. And the beauty for crypto firms is actually the rules are made for the crypto industry by a regulator that understands them. And that obviously attracts a lot of crypto firms to come to the region. That also applies across the spectrum. When it comes to stablecoins, the central bank, the CBOE, issued some guidance on the topic. And this is why I expect to see over the next year, not only the crypto firms to issue their own stablecoins, but also the traditional financial institutions to do so as well with the digital dirham. And I think this is going to be very interesting to see what role the digital dirham, or let's say the stablecoins, and potentially CBDC, by the way, play within the growth of the crypto ecosystem. To put things in perspective, VARA, the Dubai crypto regulator, allegedly has over 850 companies in the queue to get licensed. For many years in the crypto industry, all we were asking for were clear regulatory rules that we could come and build our businesses. And this has been a great example of build it and they will come. And this applies to the crypto space. And here, the UAE has been a great example of that.